now we are switching gears. My favorite section, no long explanation, no consulting decks. It depends, no, it depends, just instinct, honest, first thoughts. Welcome to Rapid Fire. My first question goes to you right now, resume or LinkedIn profile?
Uh, uh, it's rapid. A resume probably. Not everyone updates them.
Okay.
Yeah.
One skill job seekers underrate the most.
I think job seekers, I think their ability to adapt to change or their ability to learn. Yeah, that's everyone can learn, I think, most of the things.
Yes.
So
Yes. One
I
habit
think that's
candidates. Yes, yes. One habit candidates should stop immediately.
copying answers from AI. Like
My
stop doing
goodness, my goodness. Best interview answer you have ever heard in one line.
best interview answer. It would not be an answer, but one of the interviews I was giving, I was taking, and that person tried to break down my name Akriti into certain aspect of this means this means this,
Oh,
and this means this, and
I
yeah, and
see.
it's like, okay, I know that's pretty over the top, but
My goodness.
yeah, another one I can also give you is, I was just taking an interview and that person, and I was just asking, okay, how well would you rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10 in Excel? And that person said, I'm on Excel, like I'm a YouTuber, and I take Excel lessons. So I was like, okay, I'll just park my question. So yeah,
Okay.
so that was
Amazing.
an interesting one. Yeah.
Next question. Biggest interview red flag instantly.
Uh, biggest interview red flag would be just saying, you know, even when you've written something on your resume and saying, no, I have not done this. Like it's
Okay.
on the face of it. Like you've done it, you've written. Just probably they
Yes.
would have just
Okay.
written for the
Yes.
sake
Yes.
of
There are candidates. Yes.
yeah.
One question every candidate must ask in an interview.
What's the growth journey of your team and of your
Oh,
company? That's
oh,
very
I
important.
see. Amazing. Job seekers, if you are listening, please pick up this line. A career mistake that taught you the most.
A career mistake. I think jumping just because probably
Yes.
just jumping just out of your college or your to a MBA, and I think I could have taken a more bigger time to just
Okay.
explore a
Okay.
bit more. I
Yes.
would say I did not do it, so it
Okay.
couldn't be a mistake, but more of an exploration that I would have done
Yes.
post. I think I was just after my graduation to my MBA, and then straight to work. So I think just before MBA, I would say try to explore, because MBA would help you to, if you're considering of doing an MBA, that would just help you to rethink about the kind of fields you want to choose there and your electives, etc.
My last rapid fire goes to you right now. One word that defines great leadership.
I think handling people with empathy and not
Yes.
just work. Yeah.
Yes. Akriti ji, that was sharp, honest, and refreshingly real. And on that note, viewers, if this episode has given you clarity, comfort, or at least made you rethink that one interview you're still emotionally recovering from, do yourself a favor, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because great careers aren't built by accident, and neither is this episode. So, viewers, this was Let's Hear It From, where job seekers get the truth minus the HR jargon. See you soon in the next episode. Until then, hire well and get hired.